What if I told you that the pile of scrap wood sitting in your workshop could become one of the most beautiful pieces of furniture in your home? Not a shelf, not a table, not wall decor, a luxury dog bed. And not just any dog bed, a handcrafted elevated pet lounger built from reclaimed oak scraps, designed with comfort, durability, and safety in mind. Today, pet furniture has become a major part of interior design. More homeowners are moving away from plastic pet beds and cheap mass-produced products and toward furniture that complements their living spaces. But premium dog beds can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The surprising truth? Many of those high-end designs can be recreated using reclaimed wood, thoughtful engineering, and a few fundamental woodworking techniques. In this video, we're exploring how to transform discarded oak offcuts into a sophisticated elevated dog bed that balances structural integrity, ergonomic comfort, and warm minimalist aesthetics. Along the way, we'll discuss critical safety considerations, non-toxic finishes, joinery techniques, and design principles that ensure your pet's comfort for years to come. Let's build something both beautiful and practical. 1. Why elevated dog beds are better than traditional floor beds. Before building anything, let's understand why elevated pet beds have become so popular. Many commercial pet beds sit directly on the floor. While functional, they often create several issues: poor airflow, heat retention, moisture buildup, reduced comfort over time. An elevated dog bed solves many of these problems. Raising the sleeping surface allows air to circulate beneath the bed. This improves temperature regulation. During warmer months, airflow helps keep pets comfortable. During cooler months, elevation provides insulation from cold floors. The result is a cleaner, healthier, and often more comfortable resting environment. This simple design principle transforms a basic dog bed into an ergonomic pet lounger. 2. Why reclaimed oak is perfect for pet furniture. One person's scrap pile is another person's premium furniture material. Oak remains one of the most desirable woods for reclaimed woodworking projects. Its advantages include excellent strength, high durability, attractive grain patterns, resistance to wear, long service life. Even relatively small oak offcuts can provide enough material for a pet bed frame. Because pet furniture experiences daily use, structural reliability becomes extremely important. Oak delivers that reliability. And visually, its natural grain contributes warmth and sophistication that instantly elevates the finished project. 3. Start with careful material selection. Not every reclaimed board deserves a second life. Professionals inspect every piece carefully. Look for rot, mold, deep cracks, insect damage, severe warping. Minor imperfections often add character. Major structural defects introduce risk. Since this project supports a living animal, structural integrity must remain the highest priority. Choose boards that are stable, dry, and strong. Good material selection prevents future problems. 4. Designing around your dog's needs. One mistake many people make is designing furniture before understanding the user. In this case, the user has 4 legs. Different breeds have different requirements. A small terrier requires a different bed size than a Labrador. A senior dog benefits from easier access. A larger breed demands stronger structural support. Consider body length, weight, sleeping habits, mobility limitations. Good design begins with empathy. The goal isn't simply building furniture. The goal is improving your dog's comfort. 5. Planning a warm minimalist design. Warm minimalism combines simplicity with natural materials. The philosophy is straightforward. Remove unnecessary complexity. Celebrate craftsmanship. Allow materials to speak for themselves. For this dog bed, the design should feature clean lines, visible wood grain, balanced proportions, minimal visual clutter. Luxury often emerges from restraint. A thoughtfully designed frame can look far more sophisticated than an overly decorative one. 6. Breaking down the basic structure. An elevated dog bed consists of 4 primary components: side rails, end rails, legs, sleeping platform. The frame provides structural support. The platform supports the dog's weight. The legs create elevation. Every component must work together as a single system. Good engineering creates long-term durability. 7. Why strong joinery matters. Joinery separates professional furniture from temporary construction. Pets move, shift, jump, stretch. The bed must withstand constant dynamic loading. Simple, but joints may work temporarily. But stronger joinery creates lasting durability. Options include mortise and tenon joints, pocket hole joinery, half-lap joints, dowels. The stronger the connection, the longer the furniture survives daily use. 8. Precision measuring prevents problems. Furniture rarely forgives inaccurate measurements. Even small mistakes become visible. Uneven legs create wobble. Misaligned rails weaken joints. Poor spacing affects appearance. Measure carefully, then measure again. Precision creates professionalism, and professionalism creates confidence in the finished piece. 9. Cutting and preparing the components. Once measurements are finalized, preparation begins. Cut components accurately. Label each part. Organize materials before assembly. Professionals spend considerable time preparing pieces before construction starts. Preparation reduces mistakes. Preparation increases efficiency. Preparation improves quality. 10. The importance of sanding. Sanding is often underestimated, yet it dramatically influences the final experience. Dogs frequently interact with furniture using sensitive paws. Rough edges can create discomfort. Sharp corners introduce risk. Thorough sanding creates smooth surfaces, safer edges, better finish adhesion, more refined appearance. The difference between amateur and professional work often becomes obvious during sanding. 11. Round over every exposed edge. Sharp edges have no place in pet furniture. Professionals soften exposed corners. This process improves safety, comfort, durability, visual appeal. Rounded edges feel inviting. They reduce impact hazards. They communicate craftsmanship. Small details create big differences. 12. Dry assembly before final assembly. Experienced woodworkers rarely rush into glue up. A dry assembly verifies alignment, measurements, fit, stability. Identifying problems before final assembly saves time and frustration. Think of it as a rehearsal before the performance. 13. Building a strong frame. The frame acts as the foundation. Every load transfers through it. During assembly, verify square corners, tight joints, proper alignment. Clamps become extremely useful during this stage. A strong frame provides confidence. Weak foundations create future failures. 14. Creating the elevated sleeping surface. Several platform options exist. Solid wood slats provide excellent durability. Canvas inserts offer flexibility. Heavy-duty fabric introduces comfort and breathability. Regardless of material choice, the platform must safely support the dog's weight without excessive sagging. Comfort and strength should coexist. 15. Why non-toxic finishes matter. Perhaps the most important safety consideration involves finishing. Dogs interact closely with furniture. They may lick surfaces, chew edges, rest directly on materials. Choose finishes specifically designed to be low toxicity once cured. Popular options include natural oils, hard wax oils, pet-safe wood finishes. Avoid products that may leave harmful residues. Safety must always come before appearance. 16. Enhancing the natural beauty of oak. One reason oak remains so popular is its remarkable grain. Finishing should enhance that character, not hide it. Warm oil finishes often deepen color while preserving texture. The grain becomes richer. The wood feels alive. The furniture immediately gains a premium appearance. 17. Stability testing before use. Before introducing your dog to the new bed, perform a thorough inspection. Check joint strength, frame rigidity, platform tension, leg stability, apply pressure, test movement. Simulate real-world use. Professional furniture earns trust through testing. 18. Creating a luxury look from scrap material. This is where the magic happens. The project no longer resembles reclaimed wood scraps. It resembles designer furniture. The transformation demonstrates an important principle. Luxury isn't defined by expensive materials. Luxury is defined by execution. Careful joinery, smooth surfaces, balanced proportions, thoughtful design. These elements create sophistication. 19 common mistakes to avoid. Many beginner projects suffer from avoidable problems. Common mistakes include using unstable wood, skipping sanding, ignoring edge treatment, weak joinery, poor measurements, unsafe finishes, inadequate testing. Learning from these mistakes dramatically improves outcomes. 20. Customizing the design. Once the basic bed is complete, customization becomes possible. Add personalized nameplates, decorative slats, removable cushions, storage compartments, matching side tables. The design can evolve to suit your space and your pet's personality. 21. Sustainability through purposeful craftsmanship. Every reclaimed project tells a story. Oak offcuts once considered waste gain new purpose. Material remains in circulation. Landfill waste decreases. Craftsmanship increases value. The result benefits both the environment and the home. Sustainability becomes tangible. 22. Why handmade pet furniture matters. Pets occupy a unique place in our lives. They provide companionship, loyalty, comfort. Building furniture specifically for them adds a layer of meaning that mass-produced products often lack. Every cut, every joint, every sanding pass contributes to something personal. The finished bed becomes more than furniture. It becomes an expression of care. At first glance, reclaimed oak scraps may seem insignificant. Small leftovers, forgotten offcuts, pieces destined for the burn pile. Yet with thoughtful design, careful craftsmanship, and commitment to safety, those same materials can become something extraordinary. An elevated dog bed combines engineering, woodworking, and design into a single project. It improves comfort through airflow and ergonomics. It prioritizes durability through strong joinery. It protects pets through non-toxic finishes and rounded edges. It demonstrates that sustainable craftsmanship can produce results every bit as beautiful as expensive retail furniture. Because the true value of woodworking isn't found in the materials themselves. It's found in the ability to see potential where others see waste and transform it into something meaningful that improves everyday life for the people and pets we care about most.